this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a remote on your Roku. And this is actually really easy to do. So the first thing is you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. So scrolling down to the top, connect to Wi-Fi. And make sure it's the same one as your Roku. Then go to the Play Store and get the Roku official application. Just search for it here on the bottom. And then once you have this, the official app, you can open this up. Then go on over to Remote on the bottom. And then connect to your device. It should say like Roku. And then you'll have the remote on here. You have a keyboard. You can go to the home. You can go to the guide. You can launch quick applications through here. So maybe I got YouTube on here. I don't see it, so I can just launch YouTube right there. You can see in the background launching the YouTube application. I got the option for headphones. I can listen to a sound directly from my Roku on my phone. I got the options button. So I got a lot of different options on here to control my Roku device from my phone. So just look at this application. It's very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.